This cute 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is located on a quiet street in the Palma subdivision. The property features a low-maintenance rock yard and a traditional one-story design. Inside, features an eat-in kitchen with granite slab countertops. The living and dining area includes a cozy fireplace with gas logs, dividing the primary bedroom suite from the guest rooms for a secluded layout. You can enjoy the outdoors on the private back deck protected by a roof overhang. The tranquil backyard is partially fenced, providing a great space for dogs. This home also includes a small crawl space workshop for extra storage or projects. The 2-car side entry garage offers convenient parking. Residents benefit from a gated entrance and community amenities like golf courses and tennis courts.